Is this the end of the traditional minivan? We're live at Auto China 2026, and BYD has just shattered the mold with the Ocean V concept. It's bold, it's blue, and it's a radical departure from everything we've seen in the Ocean series so far. I am Ava, and today we're deconstructing BYD's new vision, a machine that bridges the gap between a family lounge and a high-tech fortress. Let's dive in. Standing next to it, the first thing you notice is the silhouette. It's a one-box masterpiece. The hood is almost non-existent, flowing directly into a massive, raked windshield. BYD has utilized a marine aesthetics 2.0 language here. Look at those sharp, blade-like LED signatures and the aero-optimized wheels. But the real shocker? No B-pillars. When those doors swing open, the entire side of the car disappears, revealing a portal to the future. Step inside and forget everything you know about car cabins. This is the Mobile Life Cube, a sanctuary where BYD merges sports equipment with home furnishing. The first thing that hits you is the absence of clutter. The dashboard has shed its conventional bulk, leaving only a minimalist control zone and a massive, floating display powered by the eyes of Zeus 5.0 AI model. But look at these seats, they look like individual, high-tech capsules. Dressed in light tones with blue and yellow accents, these are ultra-plush, zero-gravity units designed for long-range relaxation. And here's the magic. With a single touch, the interior transforms into cinema mode or camping mode. Thanks to the pillarless, side-opening doors, the entire cabin becomes an open-air lounge. Whether you're working from the road or watching a movie with the family, the Ocean V uses its massive glass roof and adaptive ambient lighting to create a sense of infinite space. It's not just a place to sit, it's a 500,000 renminbi living room that travels at 120 kilometers per hour. What we're witnessing here is the bold evolution of BYD's marine aesthetics. The Ocean V moves away from the literal, soft-wave shapes of the past and embraces a more cybermarine, or even brutalist approach. Every line is sharper, more intentional, and calculated to project a high-end, technical identity. This isn't just about looking pretty, it's about a new level of maturity for BYD. They're shifting from being a value leader to a design leader. The way the light interacts with these crisp surfaces and the integration of the LiDAR sensors into the overall flow shows that BYD is no longer just following global trends, they are setting them. It's a design language that feels less like a car and more like a sophisticated, high-performance tech product. This is BYD claiming its spot in the luxury segment with a look that is uniquely and confidently their own. So, what sets the Ocean V apart from the crowd? It's the platform. Built on the E-Platform 4.0, this concept is rumored to house the next-gen Blade battery. We are looking at a potential 1,000-kilometer range and a structural integrity that allows for that pillarless side entry without compromising safety. It's a masterclass in balancing extreme practicality with cutting-edge physics. Where is BYD heading with this? They are targeting the new generation family. People who don't want a boring box, but need the space. By blending MPV utility with SUV styling and hyper-tech internals, BYD is looking to dominate the high-end 500,000 renminbi segment. They aren't just selling a car, they're selling a lifestyle on demand. So let's get real. How much of this Ocean V dream will actually hit your driveway? While those pillarless, side-opening doors are a structural masterpiece for a show floor, we might see a more traditional B-pillar for the production version to meet global safety scores. However, the core of this machine, the E-Platform 4.0, the next-gen Blade battery, and that stunning cybermarine silhouette, is exactly where BYD is headed for 2027. My final verdict? The BYD Ocean V is a masterstroke in spatial engineering. It proves that a minivan doesn't have to be a compromise. It can be the smartest, most stylish room you own. BYD isn't just catching up to the premium segment. With the Ocean V, they are moving the goalposts. I am Ava. Is this the futuristic sanctuary your family has been waiting for, Or are you holding out for an SUV? Let me know in the comments. And stay tuned